Everybody shut the fuck up. Alright, the case of Zechlyr v. masterchuyleah12 is... Yeah, everybody get back in your fucking seat and shut the fuck up. Alright, the Honorable Judge Kelly... What?
You have to be like, the Honorable Judge Kelly, Minecraft court is now in session. You have to do that.
Alright, the Honorable Judge Kelly Minecraft court is now in session in the case of Zechlyr v. masterchuyleah12. However the hell I'm supposed to say that. Zechlyr, would you please come?
Question: why do you still have your armor on?
You gotta shut the fuck up. I'm the Honorable Judge Kelly. I'm supposed to have my armor on. Go to the carpet. You can't speak unless you're on the carpet.
Question: why do you have your armor on?
Do you not have an attorney? Do I need to appoint you one? We can appoint you an attorney. Ian, you're his attorney now.
Okay. I have no training. Hey. I'm not qualified for this.
Oh, fuck. You don't want to do it. We're gonna have
you're his attorney. I mean, unless you don't want him, but I'm just telling you that, like, it's a very high likelihood that...
Who did that?
Like, if you defend yourself, it's very, like... I'm not telling you who I'm going to tell, but just know you're probably going to be found guilty. That's how court, like, works. So, are you good with Ian as your attorney?
I'm not a fan of him, but sure.
Okay, well, he's a good attorney. I've known him for many years. He's, I don't know. Fuck, go back to your chair.
But I want to speak.
Your chair. Well,
I want to speak. Okay.
Okay. What do you want to say?
I love you.
Okay, I love you too.
Zach, stop being a fucking meme, you shithead.
Yeah, bitch. Okay, now I'm gonna hear arguments from the attorneys of both sides, starting with Thanos.
Oh, hold on.
I said starting with Thanos.
Alright, Your Honor, I would like to say that, fucking Zechlyr, he was found on masterchuyleah12's property, and he was threatening him with bodily harm. He was threatening to destroy his goods and possessions, and he pulled a sword out and was threatening to kill him and his family, and so he reacted in a proper way.
I never threatened his family.
Overruled. Let him. We're hearing. You'll get your shit in a minute.
And
you can't curse. That's unprofessional.
Sorry. Okay, and fucking, I say that the self-defense was justifiable, and he also tried to kill my defendant on multiple occasions, succeeding many times, and I believe he should be sentenced to hanging. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you may go back to your chair now.
Have a fucking chair.
Okay, go back. Shut the fuck up. All right. I will now hear the argument from the defendant's side.
Hold on, Your Honor. Can I pick up that piece of chicken over there?
Yeah, I guess if you really want to.
That's disgusting.
Okay, go back to your.
All right.
Go back to your seat.
Oh, am I not up?
Your attorney's supposed to give your argument. Right.
Okay.
So, I want to hear the Zechlyr side of the story.
Your Honor, I'd like to cite a court proceeding from approximately 2 years ago. Brandon Kelly v. the state of Frankia. In this case, it was proven that you have to have a enchanted weapon in order to be considered a valid threat to someone's life and property, and my client here did not have an enchanted weapon, therefore he cannot be considered to have been a legitimate threat.
Objection, Your Honor.
Overruled. Let him continue. I just want to hear what he has to say.
In light of the previous precedent, I argue that my client is not guilty, and that masterchuyleah12 was in the wrong for killing him. Thank you, Your Honor. Okay,
you may go back to your chair if that's all. All right, so now we're going to hear the arguments. Each side is going to present like evidence in favor of their own case, obviously, and they may call witnesses up to the stand if they please. So we can start with the prosecution.
Your Honor.
Thanos, you have the floor.
I would like to say that Zechlyr did indeed have an enchanted weapon. He owns. I would like to call Zechlyr to the stand.
As he pulls it
Do I
up.
just like over?
Yeah, you're getting nerd there.
Just stand.
All right.
Yeah, I guess.
Zechlyr, do you agree to say the truth?
You're not the one who does
and
that.
Nothing but the truth. No.
I
Just
thought I
answer the
was-
questions. I'm asking you questions here, Zechlyr.
Sure.
Objection. I mean, no, I'm not supposed to. No, fuck you.
Ow.
Shut the
Okay,
fuck
no,
up.
no.
You swear to
this
say
is
the
a part of
truth and nothing but the truth.
Fucker.
I do.
It's part of my thing. I'm not the judge
Okay,
is
fine.
supposed to.
Just continue.
What really fucking? Here we go.
Okay.
Okay, anyway,
Okay.
do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, well, now answer his fucking questions.
Do you, Zechlyr, own an enchanting table?
Don't answer that.
I do.
Don't answer that.
I do. It's
Nah,
already
he
been
did.
said. Everybody knows an enchanting table. I don't see why that is a problem.
But Zechlyr,
Blacklocker,
would
go back to
someone-
your seat.
why would someone need an enchanting table if he did not enchant his weapons?
Don't answer
I-
that. Your Honor, this line of questioning is ridiculous. He does not need to answer that question.
Overruled.
Why would someone need an enchanting table if they were not enchanting the weapons to kill babies?
Objection. Enchanting tables are not illegal. According to
Granted, you
Minecraft
can't
Court
say
Statute
he kills
861.
See now,
as long as
how-
the appropriate
Okay,
license is
objection to
granted.
that because you're just
talking-
making up
Excuse me.
statutes.
No. How can you say that he does not kill babies when I found this dead baby next to him? Right there. He's holding it.
What is that?
Your Honor.
Can you show that for the
Here.
courtroom
Yeah.
to see
Alright,
what
here,
exactly that is?
Put it, hold on.
Alright,
I mean,
so
no, I mean
Frank,
over
you're-
here in the fucking item frame.
Put it in the item frame.
Can you put
Oh,
this
shit, this
so-called
item
dead baby in
Yeah.
that item
This is
frame?
a dead baby.
This
That
is
is a dead
obviously a
baby.
mineral.
Killed by an enchanted weapon. An assault enchanted weapon.
Okay. Is there anything else, Thanos?
Zechlyr also hates minorities, and he fucked my dad.
Can I
Okay.
say this?
I
Yeah.
mean, like, I'm not
You
I'm
gonna
not
object to
gonna comment on
that
that.
because
See?
Your Honor, Your Honor,
Alright, that's all I have to say, Your Honor.
prosecution has left the game.
Wait, hold on, wait. Actually,
if they do not show in 15
Yeah, no, that
minutes, you're legally
Alright,
obligated.
well,
to
I would
grant the
like to
decision
call Jimbo to the
in my,
stand as my new prosecution.
Okay.
okay, well, now it's the
No,
defendant's turn.
not to the stand,
So,
to the chair. You're my
Did
new
you say
prosecution.
something? Okay.
oh, so you're just the pretend prosecution, okay.
Yeah, you know, he's the felon.
Not to pretend, no, now I'm the
Zechlyr,
felon.
you can go back. Now I want to hear the defendant, that's attorney. So, Zach, go back to your seat.
Oh, okay.
Your Honor,
Objection, Your Honor.
masterchuyleah's attorney
He didn't even say anything.
is fabricating falsehoods to slander my client.
Ow.
He obviously
Oh,
realizes
okay.
that his case is on shaky ground, and he needs to make up baseless
Objection, Your Honor. The
accusations.
fucking Zechlyr's just fishing rod me.
This is all, like, speculations. Do you have any actual evidence or witnesses or anything
For what?
for you to, like, defend your case?
Get back in the cell.
Are you asking me if I have evidence
saying
to
if you
prove
have-
that?
Any stand... So, I'm just asking if you have any fucking evidence, like, helping your case, or you're just up here to talk. Do you have any witnesses you want to bring up?
Yes, actually, I do have some evidence. You see this object in my hand right here? Right.
Okay, would you put that in the item frame for the courtroom to see?
Yeah.
I gave him that.
Whoa.
Okay,
What that
so,
is right there
what
is
that?
that is a rare herb. It's found only in the far reaches of East Asia, and the court should be obligated to know that my client is a cultivator of rare spices, and at the time of this of these supposed crimes, which the prosecution is labeling him as having committed, he was tending to his garden. This is actually a fresh, and if this is submitted to a forensic team, they'll be able to prove that this is in fact a fairly recently grown spice, which is
All right. In that case, I would like to call Plastic Cup, the forensics expert, to the stand.
Objection, Your Honor. I would just like to say that herb was grown by Jimbo.
Okay. Do you have any evidence supporting that?
I would like to call Jimbo to the stand.
Okay, Jimbo can go to the stand, I guess.
Objection. I'd like to call the forensic expert.
Shut the
Plastic
fuck
to
up.
the stand to prove that
Shut
this
the
is in
fuck up,
fact
Okay, Keaton.
thrown by my client.
Go up after that, Jimbo. So,
Dickhead.
what did you? Here, you
No,
question him.
let me talk, dumbass.
I don't know.
Jimbo,
Okay, fuck it.
did you give this ink sac to Blacklocker less than 5 minutes ago?
Yes.
I rest my case. You
Actually,
fucking
no.
lying.
Not
What?
5 minutes ago. Not less than 5
Okay,
minutes. I gave it to him like 7 minutes
how long,
ago.
How long ago? Okay,
This,
7 minutes.
this man is obviously an unreliable witness. Look at he's
I'm
gone
not a
back and
witness.
forth on the story.
I'm the prosecutor.
He's a witness to this specific infraction, which has not.
Shut up! You can't talk. You're not on the
Yeah,
square.
Ian,
You're not on the square, dumbass.
You're not on the square, and also it's not your turn. So please return your seat unless you have a legitimate objection.
Yeah, no, I'm doing my lawyer's job.
Okay, so you're saying that you gave this to him 5 minutes ago or 7 minutes ago? Is that correct? Okay, Sean, could you read that back to me?
Yep.
Yep.
There you go.
That's it. Just yep.
You said 5 minutes ago?
Yeah.
It looks it.
Why are you, Zach? Why are you breaking the window?
He's
That's
trying
right,
to
Your Honor.
here's the,
Oh my God, he's breaking out.
He's escaping. Get him! Don't let him get
how many
away.
arrows?
I got him. Don't let him get away.
Somebody go
What happened to
recapture the defendant.
I had Pop-Tart in my mouth.
Yeah, that's not gonna look good, is it?
Okay, let's take a 15-minute recess, and when the defendant returns to the courtroom, we can continue. So let me go get your ink sac lunch or whatever.